Hello students, welcome to the class. Before the summer holidays, we all discussed about the constructor. Now I am going to start again the same topic, constructor. Okay, what is a constructor? Constructor is nothing but a special type of function or methods. Okay, now, normally what is a method? Method is a sub program within the main program. Okay, so how a method can be called and in what situation a method is called a constructor. So there are certain criteria which it must have to follow to call it a constructor. So what are the criteria? The first criteria, the method name and the class name must be same. That means method name is same as class name. Okay, so method name is same as the class name and it must be same. Okay, in normal condition, if you write a constructor, a method name with the class and the class name same, then the program, then the compiler raise an error. But here we have to define in a different way. So how to declare a method as a constructor? The first point is name as same as the class name, and the second one is without any return type. Okay, without any return type. If you remember, what is a return type? Return type is the things which we used to write before the name. Just like, for example, if you used to write public void display, public void display. So here this void is used to call return type. Okay, so this one is example of the method. Okay, so this one is access specifier, as you know. Second one is, this one is return type, and this one is method name. So here the constructor don't have any return type, not even the void. Okay, so what is the meaning of void? Void means no return type, but here you need not to mention the return type. Okay, so how to write without return type? Just like this. I am going to give the example like this. So firstly, suppose my class name is X, Y and Z. Now here you used to write the method, so normally write down X, Y and Z. Okay. See here, the class name is XYZ, so I create the method as the XYZ, and before that there is nothing, no public. You may write the public, by default this one is a public, but here need not to write, so only XYZ, no void, no int, no double, that means no return type. So these two conditions must be followed to create a method, to call a method as a constructor. Okay. So these two things are the basic things to create a method, to call a method as constructor. Next, what is the use of constructor? What is the use of constructor? Constructor is used to allocate memory. This one is used to allocate memory. Allocate memory to whom? Allocate memory to the variables or the objects. Okay, variables and the objects. Okay, so constructor is used to allocate memory to the variables and also the objects of the class. Now first thing, then one more thing, the important thing, the constructor is automatically called. Like other methods, you need to call the methods, but the constructor need not to be called. It is automatically called when, as soon as you create the object of the class. So what is syntax to create the object of a class? Suppose the class name is xyz, as we defined earlier. Xyz x1 equals new x, y and z. I think you are aware of this statement. xyz is the class name. xyz is the class name. x1 is the object name, and here this is the constructor calling. Okay, clear? So you create a method, you call a constructor, you need not to call a constructor. Okay, so first of all, there is a class xyz, new xyz. Okay, whenever you create a constructor, whenever you create an object of a class, the constructor is automatically called. Now your question is, sir, पहले भी तो हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट बना रहे थे, बट हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल, तो वहां भी कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल होता है, हम लोग बना तो रहे थे कंस्ट्रक्टर. So whenever you create a program, whenever you create an object of a program, the compiler is automatically create one constructor. Which constructor I will come to the later on this point, but the constructor is created by the compiler if you are not define a constructor in the program. The compiler automatically create a constructor. Okay, which type of constructor is that? I will come later on. Okay, so basic thing is that whenever you create a object, the constructor is automatically called. Okay, now what is the difference between the dollar method and the constructor? So difference, I am dividing it. This time here is constructor, here is the method. The first point, no return type. Here have return type. Second one is name same as the class name. Okay, here the second point, different name from class name. Okay, the third point, what is third point? Okay, the third point is need not to be called, and here required to call. Okay. So these are the basic difference between a constructor and the methods. Okay. Newton type, Aberdeen type, name same as the class name, different name from the class name, need not to be called, yeah, required to call. So these are the basic difference between the constructor and the methods. Okay. Now there are certain types of constructor. So basically there are three types of constructor. The first one is called default constructor. The second one is called parameterized. And the third one is called copy constructor. Okay. I will explain these types in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.